What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be installing a trailer hitch on the back of this little Cub Cadet riding lawn tractor. I've installed many of these. I've just never actually pulled a trailer with one. I'm sure pulling a little lightweight wagon around the yard is fine, but I have a 16-foot tandem axle trailer. I'm curious to see how well it will pull a 16-foot trailer and how well this hitch is built. I just bought it off of Amazon. I want to say it was around 30 bucks or so. I'll put a link down in the description for it. So let's get started. So I already cut the tape on the box, but I want to show you, open up the box and show you what it comes with. So this particular hitch will allow me to still put a ball down here and also one up high. So it installs like that, so you can have a ball down low and one high, and then these arms over here should tie in with these bolts right here. It does come with some bolts. Obviously this bigger one is going to be for that hole, but I'm looking at these other little bolts and I'm probably going to replace them because they look a little small for what they need to be. So once you get the drawbar bolted on, you'll have these two different sets of support pieces, and they will provide support side to side and front to back, moving back and forth. Now these two pieces, I actually ordered this hitch. It will fit late model Cub Cadet and John Deere's, but it won't fit my mower. My mower is too old. My mower is a 2016, but that didn't matter. I really just wanted this part right here. I was already prepared, thinking I would make my own side support pieces, and I'm going to use some material that's a little bit wider and thicker. And I'm going to use these holes that are on the side of the frame here and up higher. So after taking some quick measurements, I started fabricating my side braces. Bending these side braces takes a little bit of practice, but I'm using my bender from Harbor Freight. It works great. I'll put a link down in the description. And the material I'm using is 1¼ inch by 1/4 inch thick. Drilling the holes here. I'm going to clean up the edges with my grinder and install them, bolt it all up. And it felt really nice and really secure. Put a new ball hitch on and tighten that up. So guys, exactly what I just did right there by moving that lawn tractor easily. They don't weigh much, so that's what's got me worried and anxious to hook up this 16-foot trailer. So this is the part that's going to be the most beneficial, how easy it is to just back up, line up that ball, hook up a trailer and move it. I have a pretty tight fitting fence right here, as you'll see as I'm pulling out, so I have to be careful pulling out and parking it back into the fenced area. And a lot of times I'll just need to move the trailer from here over to my driveway or vice versa, and this is going to make it so much easier to do. And plus, the lawn tractor doesn't take up nearly as much room in my driveway as my 4Runner would. But I wanted to get a better feel of how this trailer weight would feel if I just needed to move it in a different area or go down the road just a little bit. Oftentimes I need to move customers' trailers around, and the normal towing capacity of these lawn tractors is around 500 pounds, where this trailer weighs around 1,500 pounds, so you need to be really careful. And I just wanted to get a really good feel for the weight of this trailer and how it was affecting the lawn tractor as I would try to maneuver the trailer around in different situations and on different surfaces. And also I wanted to notice, was it hard on the transmission? And now I would hear it whining, but overall it seemed to do really well. It never felt like I had a lack of horsepower or torque, but it did feel like I had a lack of capability, which is understandable. But overall it did better than what I expected. Now I'm going to let you guys hear this transmission noise. I'm not going to speak as I slowly back in my trailer into the tight fenced area, and it's relatively smooth ground. You could hear that transmission really whining when it would get into a bind, as I was slowly backing up. I have a few rough spots, but other than that, it wouldn't really make a lot of noise. I think as long as you're staying on nice flat ground, you'll be safe, because as that weight's on there, especially if you were to put anything on this size weight of trailer, it was already picking up the front and getting a little loose just as the driving that you saw. So I definitely wouldn't recommend any hills. And I wouldn't recommend gravel. You know, I'm on pavement and nice solid grass, and I wouldn't really go anything worse than that. Another thing those hills are going to do, well, this will do it regardless, is it's gonna burn up that transmission eventually. Putting that type of load for a prolonged period of time is really going to heat up and wear out that transmission a lot quicker. Add some hills to the mix and it's not good. But if you got a situation like this where you just need to be able to transport that trailer on some flat ground, that actually worked out pretty good. So yeah, this is an awesome attachment, especially since I was able to modify it and probably make it better than I was able to buy it. But that's going to be a really handy tool to have, attachment to have on this lawn tractor. If you're interested in that bender that I used, I bought this from Harbor Freight. I'll put a link down in the description. Some of the links I provide may give me a commission. Some are good, some are real small. It helps support the channel, helps me buy more tools and equipment and things to show you guys do these videos. Makes it worthwhile to do the videos, and I appreciate the support. Do me a favor on your way out, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll have more videos like this coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys.